Yeah, respect for the man called Stylo. Yeah man, MightyFibo in the place. Yeah, big up man called Pepe, man called Clay, man called Leffy. Yes man. Me gun the pan me side each and every time. Me bullets when they need the light. When it fires it targets each and every one at all times. No, it doesn't matter where you're from. Bully, Johnny, a reef and a black man. My blood bad bullets will take you down like a madman. Like a madman. You can be hot like lava. My bullets will splash you down like a sava. Listen to me, my bullet one shot the pope. Me no respect the none because Saturday out there until see now get none. Got the bad me side. The simple means say me ready to deal with your life. Listen to me. Some boy a start what but them no know how to run it. When me start war, me a run it and done it. Born in a the ghetto war is a part of my life. So me no like a farmer, hypocrite and parasite. Cause they will always try to fuck up your life. That's why some youths ask me, MightyFibo, can you teach me the art of war? You want me to be a war teacher? My youth I can do it cause war you can teach. War is something you've got to live and breathe. Me gun the pan me side each and every time. Me bullets ready need the light. When it fires it targets each and every one at all times. It doesn't matter where you're from. Bully, Johnny, a reef and a black man. My blood bad bullets will take you down like a madman. Like a madman. You can be hot like lava. My bullets will splash you down like a sava. Listen to me, my bullet one shot the pope. Me no respect the none because Saturday out there until see now get none. Got the band me side. The simple means say me ready to deal with your life. Listen to me. The gun the pan me side each and every time. Bullets ready need a light. When it fires it target each and every one at all time. Pussy only doesn't matter where you're from. Suriname, Amsterdam or even London. My blood clot bullets will take you down like a madman. Like a madman. Listen to me, you can be hot like lava. My bullets will splash you down like a safa. Yes man, my bullet one shot the pop. Me no respect the none because Saturday out there and still see now get none. Put the pan me side, the simple means say me ready to delete life. MightyFibo in the place. The soldier of Selassie most lovely child of the Almighty. Listen to me. Some boy a start what but them no know how to run it. When me start war, me a run it and done it. Born in a the ghetto war is a part of my life. So me no like a farmer, hypocrite and parasite. Cause they will always try to fuck up your life. That's why some youths ask me, MightyFibo, can you teach me the art of war? You want me to be a war teacher? My youth I can do it cause war you can teach. War is something you've got to live and breathe. Me gun the pan me side each and every time. Me bullets ready need the light. When it fires it targets each and every one at all times. It doesn't matter where you're from. Bully, Johnny, a reef and a black man. My blood clot bullets will take you down like a madman. Like a madman. You can be hot like lava. My bullets will splash you down like a sava. Listen to me, my bullet one shot the pope. Me no respect the none because Saturday out there until see now get none. Got the band me side. The simple means say me ready to deal with your life. Listen to me. Yeah, respect for the man called Stylo. Yeah man, MightyFibo in the place. Yeah.